for clothes, no need for shoes. Whenever you're inside this space, I just want you comfortable.
Actually achieved this look with Flexi Rods. So I am going to link my girl, I can't think of her name. Oh my God, my brain. I'm gonna link my girl who I came across by sheer accident, who has created the horseshoe method to do Flexi Rod, Flexi Rod set. It allows you to use way less Flexi Rods than normal. It's a quick and easy takedown. The idea is bomb. It just didn't work for me. Now the method, let me go back. The method worked. The method that she said worked. It was definitely a quicker set. It did work. But her hair longer than mine, so mine didn't kind of come out like how I liked it. You know, I'm natural, but I'm like part-time natural. Like, I still wear my wigs and my weaves. So, I'm not always, like power to the people, power to the naturals. But it came out. I didn't like it. I'm going to show y'all right now the struggle, the real struggle. But because we were vlogging today, I needed to put it together and make it work. So here we are with the high bun and a curly bang. Now, these curls are definitely cute. They are defined and they're really, really cute. The front ones were cute. The back and side, not so much. But, it is a learning process. We are on this journey of enlightenment / quarantine together. And we's gonna learn. But you know what? I wanted to be that girl. I want to be that girl that put myself out there to show you what could go wrong, right? Because everybody be showing you the perfect videos, right? They cut and edit, put some cute music, and they look good, right? And they be all cute, and they makeup down. I mean, my makeup is cute, but they show you all the good stuff. Your girl Tay is here to show you what could go wrong, right? Because it ain't always as easy as it seems. Sometimes it takes a few times. I myself have done videos that it was like the 5th time of me doing it. So, of course, I've perfected it, right? This one, yeah, I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm going to stop rambling. Needless to say, let's get into another video. so now here comes the moment of truth. As you notice, I put on makeup and I did not. Oh, first of all, I put on too much. Okay, so I definitely put on a lot of setting spray and didn't even moisturize my lips yet. What is my life about? I don't even know. But I'm rushing. I'm trying to get out the house. But here's the moment of truth. Okay, so I let them sit overnight, and we're gonna pray for your girl. Okay, just pray for me. So I'm gonna use some of this. I'm almost out of this, but some coconut oil, just to kind of rub on my fingers, so I can. After I take them out. So let's see what we got. Oh, these are a little high. These look a little granny-ish. You know, they look a little granny-ish. Let's see what these. Okay, these ain't looking too bad. Okay. And let's go in the back. Okay. Drop something. These kind of remind me of when I was a kid, and most black girls can tell you this. When I was a kid and it was picture day and your mother did that bang in the front of your head with that sponge roller, and it was so tight because it had been in all night, and your bang was like up here, like whoop, and you were so mad because, you know, you wanted it to look like, you know, high fashion. And it did not, and you were so mad. I'm pretty sure there's a picture somewhere of me with a little tight bang. Okay, just to keep it from frizzing, let's see. I can already. I have been wearing wigs and weaves for so long. I'm not even gonna say weaves. Because I don't really wear weaves no more. But I have been wearing my hair protector styles. I guess I'll say braids too. That I have not done one of these in a million years. Okay, Flexi Rod set. You know, your girl don't even know if she know what she doing anymore. But that's what we're here for. Test it out. See what looks good. See what doesn't. I actually am filming a vlog today with Q. So. every video, every hairstyle. I don't even know what that was. Every hairstyle is not gonna. It's not gonna be it for you, dude. It's just not. It's just not. So. When you mess up, make it fashion. Okay, so this is a look. May not be the look I was going for,